If you ever had a CRG Hindsight LS or any of the Hindsight mirrors on motorcycles, they usually come with the two hex bolts here. Those are really soft for like $90 a piece. If you don't tighten this down enough, this is really loose and it moves around all the time. And then when you're trying to tighten it a lot, these easily strips on here. So I've been trying to look for some of the replacement bolts for it. Looking at the CRG main website, they don't seem to have it. And then some places may have it, but they go for an arm and a leg. And the only place I saw was this place called Bevel Haven, and they're going for $8.79 a piece. And then if you need to fix both sides, it's about $18 plus tax plus shipping is about $25-30 bucks for the sake of me. So I went on and to Home Depot. You guys probably heard maybe Tesla was using some of the Home Depot heat pumps for their parts, so I went to Home Depot for some of these bolts. So, and actually, luckily, I found them. The head, it's about a millimeter longer, so it sticks out a tiny bit compared to the original one. So see, I have the original one here. So there are two sizes. The top one is the longer one, the bottom one is the shorter one. So the top one is this M5 0.8 by 16 millimeter. And then the bottom one, that's the smaller one, the shorter one is the also M5 0.8, 12 millimeter instead. So they fit in perfectly fine. And these are just, I think, $125 for a pack of two. And I was able to replace both of them. And together, the $250 with tax is $2.69. Favorite amount of cents.